everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to get Iqiyi TV app if you're using an Apple TV. Now, you want to enjoy 1080p with Iqiyi TV. You get high definition, smooth experience, and you can switch subtitles. So what you do is to get this TV app using your TV app store. What you have to do is to search for it. So you enter your home page and select Play Store at the right. Then you see it. Select the search page on the far right and search for Iqiyi. Search for it, and then next thing you're going to do is you download it. So once you find, after download, you find the Iqiyi app at the end of the application list on the home page. You see it as the last option, and then that's it. You can also install it now by going to this page, which is www.iq.com/intel-common/tv/tv app details.html. To get here, and once you're here, just click on the Apple TV and you can download it from here. Hope you found this video helpful.